Welcome to the beautiful island of Ko Lipe, a must-see destination. But first, you need to get there.
Good morning. Welcome to the channel Retired Don't Give Up. We're at the airport in Chiang Mai. We've checked in. We're now doing the wait. Won't be very long. An hour and 10 minutes we'll be boarding, and we will be heading to Hat Yai. And then from there, we will be getting onto a bus that will take us to the coastal town, and then we will get on a speedboat and make our way to Ko Lipe. Ko Lipe is a destination island. Some people call it the Maldives of Thailand. It's not a very big island. They say 25% of the world's exotic fish are there. So yes, it would definitely be on your bucket list if you were to come to Thailand and you were to travel. Now, if you wanted to go just to Ko Lipe, like I said, there are international flights into Hat Yai, but there would be many layovers, many transfers, and one of them would end up being in Bangkok. So it would make more sense if you were going to come to Thailand, that you weren't going to come for a week or 2 weeks and spend it all in Ko Lipe. You're obviously going to go to other places. You would fly into Bangkok, and then you do whatever you might want to do from there, and then you would collect a flight from the Don Mueang airport down to Hat Yai, and from there. Or in our case, if you flew into Chiang Mai, you would spend time in Chiang Mai, and then of course you could now fly direct, as we're doing, to Hat Yai. Either way, there's many ways to get there, and this is one of them. So we just landed in Hat Yai. I was really worried that I didn't have my information for the taxi. Well, we just stepped outside, and there was the driver with my name on a plaque. So we had nothing to worry about. We're about to take our taxi ride to the main street. We're just loading up a few more people. Just ran into just met a chap from Australia. He's here for the week. As I said earlier, about some of us just, this is a destination island, and some just come for just this trip. And he's coming from Australia, and but he flew into, as I said, he flew into Bangkok first, and then of course he had to make the transfer. You made transfer to Don Mueang.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So that was a pain. How did that go?
No, it was fine. I stayed in the Phrae right next to it. So
okay, so you stayed overnight?
Yeah. We came in yesterday, flew out this morning.
Yeah. Well, so did you take the train over, or did you pay for the taxi?
No, my hotel was right next to the airport.
Ah, there you go. So enjoy if you enjoy a night in Bangkok, and then and he's on our way to enjoy a phenomenal week on the Maldives of Thailand, and we're off like a herd of turtles. Can you say sardines? And we're off. So we made it through the boat ride. I've been told that could be a lot worse. Personally, I thought it could go a little slower and might be a little less bumpy. I mean, he was doing 30 knots, so yeah. And we got here in less than an hour and a half, so I have to talk to Lance and see. He said 2 hours, so we got here a pretty record time. So this is our cabin. First impression of the island reminds me of Koh Samet. It's dirty. Maybe I'm being critical, but yeah, a lot of stuff that's could be cleaned up. But the cabin is awesome. We have the resident cat already. He's been in twice. Either he or she, not really sure. Nice size bed, fan, very important, air con. Not much of a view, but Nice sized bathroom, nice and clean. So again, it's what it showed in the brochure, and I think it's going to be just fine. All right, we're just going to get ourselves unpacked. We're going to find Lance and CJ, and I haven't eaten all day, so I think we're going for burgers. So all right, till next time. This is one of the viewpoints from our resort. As you can see, it's quite spectacular. We walked through here to our cabin, and it's a perfect launch spot for the drone. Again, we're on the island of Ko Lipe. Absolutely beautiful island. Not a very big island, 1.5 kilometers, 2 kilometers wide. And maybe 3 kilometers long. 2/3 of the island is mostly inhabited. Another third of the island is more bush and so forth. There's a private, or I think they call it the lost beach, and absolute destination island. If you're coming to Thailand, I highly recommend that you include this in your bucket list of destinations. Whether you come here to this resort, there's resorts all the way around that will that cater to all different price points. There is a lot of walking, but there are tuk-tuks that will take you to wherever you need to go. But like I say, welcome to Ko Lipe.
Join us on our next video as we enjoy everything this island has to offer, from beautiful beaches, walking street shops, restaurants, and exotic nightlife to keep you entertained. We take a longboat and explore neighboring islands above and below. This is Thailand. Until next time, bye for now, and remember, don't give up.